Welcome to my channel. I am here with the introduction of another educational course. This course is suitable for those who want to enter the world of Android app development from scratch and upgrade their skills to a professional level. By focusing on fundamental concepts, development tools, and practical projects, participants learn how to create useful applications and interactive games. This course helps programming enthusiasts, tech entrepreneurs, and those looking for job opportunities in the global market. Additionally, hands-on training with real-world projects increases confidence in developing modern applications. This course, with about 33,000 students and a rating of 4.6, is highly successful and practical. The current price, with a discount on the Udemy website, is around €13. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The duration of this course is 40 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. You will learn the following in this course: the fundamentals of the Android platform, which is open source and constantly evolving. How Android has become a dominant force in the global smartphone market, making it a popular choice for developers. The software creation process that focuses on building apps compatible with Android devices. The different tools used for Android development, depending on the career focus as an Android developer. How Android development skills are in high demand worldwide and can enhance career prospects, and many other topics. Now, I want to provide you with this exciting course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to us and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and enter the address discountedcourseninja.com in Google search. In the results displayed for you, click on this link. Make sure the site address matches what is shown here, and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the homepage of the site. On this website, you can access various course discount coupons. Search for your desired course in the search section. You can also browse topics in the category section to find your preferred subject. Here, you will find our desired course. Now, to obtain the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button. The course is now available for you for free, but keep in mind that the coupon has a time limit. Now, you have successfully gained free and legal access to this course with just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.